Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we are going to look into what good habits we can acquire. What good habits we need to cultivate. So we are going to look into ourselves, look into our home and around, and see how I must cultivate good habits. Okay, that's what we are going to discuss today. I must cultivate good habits. Good habits, very, very important for our life. So, what is good habit? Something, actions that you do regularly. What is acceptable to you and to your family, your teachers, your friends, your colleagues. I must cultivate good habits. Now, to remember these good habits, okay, uh, that you do regularly, we will sing a song to make us remember always what good habits we keep in our mind. Okay. Now we are told to be healthy, we need to wash our hands, we need to wash our face regularly. Washing, the action of washing, water and soap, washing. Now let's sing a song now. Okay, when you wash, we wash our hands, we wash our face. Then we clean our nails. Okay, wash, wash, wash your face every single day. Wash your hands and scrub your nail. Send the dirt away. Take it. Wash, wash, wash your face every single day. Wash your hands and scrub your nail. Send the dirt away. A good habit of washing, cleaning a nail. Then, what about in the morning, brushing your teeth? Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush them up and down. Brush, 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 brush. Brush and never frown. And mommy says to brush the teeth, no mommy, some of us are lazy. So don't frown. Don't make a fuss. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush them up and down. Brush, 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 brush. Brush and never frown. Good. Next is you need to go to school on time. You need to complete your work on time. Okay? So you have to watch your time. Watch, watch, watch your time. Go to bed with speed. Sleep, 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 sleep. Get the rest you need. Watch, watch, watch your time. Go to bed with speed. Sleep, 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 sleep. Get the rest you need. You go to sleep early, you wake up early, and you are in time for your school. Now, before leaving home, you must do something. Comb your hair. You must look presentable. Good habit. Comb, comb, comb your hair. And when you are through, smile, 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 smile. And folk will smile at you. So before leaving home, what do? Comb your hair. Comb, comb, comb your hair. And when you are through, smile, 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 smile. And folks will smile at you. So when they see you on time, neat, clean, nice nails, lovely hair, people will smile. Good habits. So we're trying to remember the good habit through our song. So I must cultivate good habits. The first thing in the morning, mommy says, wake up, please get up. But what must you do? I must cultivate good habits. So I get up early and quickly and happily. Okay, that's the first and the most important habit. Waking up on your own without mommy troubling you. I must cultivate good habits. So I get up. So I get up quickly, early, happily. So I get up early. Mommy calls you, quickly you'll get up. Quickly and happily. Not grumpy. The mood of the habit is very important. I must cultivate good habits. So I get up in the morning. I get up quickly, early and happily, making mommy happy. One of the most important good habits. So how can you get up? Get up early, happily, by going to bed early. Go to bed with speed. Sleep enough. Get the rest. Then you are able to wake up early, happily, making mommy happy. Okay, I must cultivate good habits. So I brush my teeth twice a day before going to bed and when I wake up. Brush, brush. Send all the dirt away. Keep it sparkling. When you brush your teeth, your health is good and strong. So I must cultivate good habits. So I brush. So I brush my teeth twice a day. My teeth twice a day. Morning and before going to bed. Before going to bed, very important. Morning, you can just spend a little time. So, two most important good habits. One, waking up early, quickly, happily before mama calls you. Brushing your teeth night and morning so that you are kept healthy, germs are cleared. I must cultivate good habits, so I take a bath daily. That's very important. And you must have a bath happily, not being forced. I must cultivate good habit. So I take a bath. I take a bath. I take a bath daily. Mommy should not say, daddy should not say, go take a bath, wash yourself, clean yourself. No, you are cultivating good habits. So what do? You go to bed early, you wake up happily early, you brush your teeth, you take a bath. Wonderful little girl and boy you grow to be. I must cultivate good habits, so I do my yoga regularly. I need to be healthy. So I must cultivate good habits, so I do my yoga regularly. Whatever you do should be regular. Can't say, I'll go to sleep today early, tomorrow late, or today I'll brush my teeth, I'm feeling lazy. No. Cultivating good habits, everything has to be done every day and regularly, no breaking it. Don't say, I'm feeling lazy, I don't do my yoga today. Then how can you remain healthy? Okay? So getting up, going to bed early, waking up early, brushing your teeth twice a day, taking a bath daily, doing yoga daily, regularly. All this goes to make you cultivate good habit. I must cultivate good habits, so I wash my hand before and after meal. Anything, even if you're going to eat a fruit, wash your hands. After eating, wash. Not only meal time, anything that you want to touch, any food, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Scrub your hands, scrub your nail. Under your nails, all the little germs hide away, giving us trouble. So you can't cultivate good habits. So what do you do now? I must cultivate good habits. So I wash my hands. So you are a good little girl. So you say no. So I wash my hands, my little hands, before and after meals. So I wash my hands before and after meals. Very good. So now, so many good habits you are cultivating. Definitely, you grow up to be a little boy or a girl. Everyone will love you. I must cultivate good habits so I reach school on time. Remember, you went to sleep early, so naturally you have to be early. So, I get up early, quickly, and happily. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take a bath daily. I do my yoga regularly. I wash my hand before and after eating. I must cultivate good habits so I reach school on time. So I reach school on time. Good little girl and boy, you have been so good. So you reach school on time, very good habit. Then I must cultivate good habits. So what do? I eat my food at regular time before leaving home, your breakfast. Eating breakfast, lunch, tea, dinner on regular time. That is a healthy habit. So when you reach school, you have already had your breakfast. I must cultivate good habits. So I eat my food at regular times. Good little girl and boy. I must cultivate good habits. So I eat my food. I eat my food at regular intervals. At regular time. Morning, noon, evening, night. Every day, morning breakfast, 7 o'clock, lunch 12:30, tea 4, like that. Regular times. Okay, it's very important. Now, I must cultivate good habits. So, I go to bed early. What do? So, I go to bed early. Now look at all the beautiful good habits that we have put up here. I said, if you want to wake up early, happily, you need to go to bed early. So first thing, you must go to bed early. By 9 o'clock, you should be sleeping. Then you'll be fresh. So you get up early, quickly, happily, and then you're able to brush your teeth, take a bath, do yoga, wash your hands, then you reach school, you eat your food. Everything first begins by sleeping and waking up. Okay? Now these are the good habits that you are trying to cultivate, that you are trying to make a habit in you without much difficulty, so that everyone will say, look, what a good boy and a girl. They have cultivated good habits. Okay? So I must cultivate good habits. So I go to bed early so that I wake up early and quickly and happily. I brush my teeth twice a day. I cultivate good habits, so I take a bath regularly, daily. I must cultivate good habits, so I do my yoga regularly, every day without fail. I must cultivate good habits, so I wash my hands before and after meal, or before and after eating anything that I want to. I must cultivate good habits, so I reach school on time after having my breakfast. I must cultivate good habits, so I eat my food at regular times, not any time I like. Mummy says 7 o'clock breakfast, 1:30 lunch. Listen to mummy. And finally, and the most important, I must cultivate good habits, so I go to bed early. Now let's look at some of the sounds. Recollect the sound that we have already learned. Okay, when you say I, what you mean is inky, E, Inky the mouse. So you say E is the sound for I. M, K, G, 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 H. This one you must think of snake. Again, E, G, A. Yeah. How do you break your egg? A. E, you say sound is A, then quack. You have quack, A, then you have again. You have sound, E sound, B, B, B sound, T sound, A, and D, D, D. Then you have again sound, then you have E sound, T, A, B, D. Then you have your sound again, E sound, D, Y, Y, Y. Y is Y. Then you have sound, you have E sound, Wa. Wa sound, wind. Wa sound, Ha sound, B. B sound, A, and again sound, E sound, sound, O, and T sound, S sound, E sound, A sound, and A and You have again this sound, then you have E sound, G, T, B, and A. Let's read it together once again. We are cultivating good habits. I must cultivate good habit, so I get up, so I go to bed early. Every day I go to bed early. I must cultivate good habit, so I get up early, happily, quickly when mama calls me. I must cultivate good habit, so I brush my teeth twice a day, night and morning when I wake up. I must cultivate good habits, so I take a bath daily. I must cultivate good habit, so I do my yoga regularly. I must cultivate good habit, so I wash my hands before and after my every meal. I must cultivate good habit, so I reach school on time and I am so happy. I must cultivate good habit, so I eat my food on regular time, not when I like and what I like. I listen to my mummy and I eat my meal on time. And by doing all this, I am cultivating good habits, and that habit become part of me. Then I become a good little girl and good little boy. I must cultivate good habits. That's what we are looking into. I must cultivate good habits. So, what do? I read and learn my lessons regularly, daily. Unless I do regularly, how will I remember? So, I must cultivate good habits. So, I read. So, I read and learn. Read and learn my lessons regularly. My lessons regularly. That is cultivating a good habit. I must cultivate good habit. So, I read and I learn my lessons regularly, and which will make you happy because you formed a habit of learning and reading automatically, and your mommy will say, what a joy to have this little girl, little boy, they are doing the work on their own. The teacher will say, oh, I am so pleased having you in my class. I am so happy that you are reading, learning on your own. So, I must cultivate good habits. So, what do? I read, I learn my lessons regularly. Next, I must cultivate good habits, so I take care of my books, whether it's the class book or any story book. You have to take care. It is your book. So, I must cultivate good habits. So, I take care. I take care of all my books. Not only the school book, my story books, all the books. And I'll arrange it neatly, nicely in my room on the shelf. I must cultivate good habits. So what do? I take care of my books, my school books, my story books. When I take care of my books, I also take care of my reading and my learning. And I am cultivating. I'm making all these habits a part of me, making it work easily. I must cultivate good habits, so I keep my nails short and clean. It is the nails that bother you, that give you a lot of trouble. So, I must cultivate good habits. So, what do? So, I keep my nails clean and short. You keep clean and short so that no dirt gets in, so that you don't get sick. So that's a very good habit. Taking care of your fingers, taking care of your nails, so that it doesn't give you trouble, it doesn't make you sick. I must cultivate good habit, so I keep my nails clean and short. I must cultivate good habit, so I comb my hair and keep it clean and tidy. Comb your hair, and when you are through, what must you do? Smile, so that others will smile at you, because you are keeping yourself neat and nice and looking beautiful. So now, I must cultivate good habit, so I comb my hair. To comb your hair, isn't it? Comb my hair and keep it, not simply comb it, and keep it neat and clean or neat and tidy. Should be tidy, not all over. Okay? So, I must cultivate good habits. So, what do? I comb my hair and I keep it neat and tidy. So, everyone will look at my hair, look at my face and say, wow, how pretty, how lovely. Now, I must cultivate good habits. So, I use the 4 magic words. What are the 4 magic words? Please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me. And make those 4 magic words part of you. Part of you. Anytime anyone gives you something, say thank you. When you want something from somebody, say please. When you hurt someone, say sorry. When you enter a room or a class or a door, you say excuse me. So, using magic words, making it part of you, you are cultivating good habits. You are making yourself a very pleasant, happy, lovable little boy and girl. So, I must cultivate good habits. So, I use the 4 magic words regularly, or magic words often. Very often you must use, all the time. Manners, that means you have good manners. Then, next one, I must cultivate good habits. So, I read and learn my lesson regularly. So, your teacher, your mama, all are happy. I must cultivate good habits. So, I take care of all my books at home. Not only the school book, but the other books also. Keep it neatly, well settled in your room. I must cultivate good habits. So, I keep my nail short and clean and neat. I must cultivate good habits, so I comb my hair and keep it neat and tidy. I must cultivate good habits, so I use the 4 magic words often as I can. Okay? And then I must cultivate good habits, so I use a handkerchief. Okay? I must cultivate a good habit, so I carry a handkerchief. I carry a handkerchief with me. That's one of the good habits. Okay? Then I must cultivate good habits, so I pray morning and at night. Before you leave, before you go to bed, before you go to school, before you go out anyway, pray. I must cultivate good habits, so I pray often. I must cultivate good habits, so what do? I pray often before my test, before going out of the house, before doing any job. I pray and ask for God's blessing. And God will make you into a little boy and girl who have lots of good habits. And then you have to cultivate good habit. Most of us, we don't like to drink milk. We don't like that vegetable, this fruit. No, I must cultivate good habit. So, what do? I drink. So, I drink. What do you drink? So, I drink my milk. Mama gives me. What else Mama gives you? I drink my milk. I eat all the vegetables Mama gives me. I eat vegetables, all the vegetables. All the vegetables Mama gives. What else she gives you? She gives you fruits. So you must eat all the fruits, not this alone or that alone. Give the fruit Mama gives. She knows what is best for your body. Now this is a very good habit. Now, together with milk, fruit, vegetable, we also need to drink lot of water. Water is very important for our body. So, Mommy knows what is best. I must cultivate good habit. It's a very good habit to drink a lot of water. It's a very good habit to drink milk regularly. You're a growing little boy and girl, and Mommy knows you need to be strong for learning. Now, I must cultivate good habits, so I eat not one vegetable or one fruit. I eat all the vegetables. I eat all the fruit. What Mommy gives me, Mommy knows to take care of my health. So, I am cultivating good habits, and I am making my Mommy happy because I am helping her to help me to keep myself healthy. Because in the beginning we said that we will do yoga regularly, we will do learning. How can we do all that if we don't drink milk, water, eat vegetables and fruits? Now let's look at all the good habits that we are cultivating, that we are trying to make part of us, that we are trying to make it so regular that you don't feel difficult in practicing. Now, I must cultivate good habits, so I read and I learn my lessons every day regularly without mom and dad, teachers forcing me. Because I know it's a good habit to read and learn. I must cultivate good habits, so I take care of all my books, not tear it up or throw it, make dust collect on it or put it on the floor. No, I am cultivating good habits, so I take good care of my books and keep it neatly in my room. I must cultivate good habits, so I keep my nails clean and short so that it doesn't bother me, my health. I must cultivate good habits, so I comb my hair and keep it neat and tidy, and everyone will say, wow, look at that hairstyle. How clean and neat he is, she is. I must cultivate good habits, so I use the 4 magic words as often as I can. I must cultivate good habits, so I carry a handkerchief with me wherever I go. When I want to sneeze, I have a cold, I use it. I must cultivate good habits, so I pray often before my test, before I leave home. When I come back, I say, thank you, God, for bringing me back home safely. I must cultivate good habits, so I drink enough water. I drink the milk what mommy gives me. I eat the vegetables and fruits, all vegetables and fruit what mommy gives me to take care of my health. So I support mommy by eating all that with a smile. Now let's look at all the sounds. Okay. Now I said the I sound is E, Inky the mouse. The K, G, and ha. Then you have S, E, L, A, L, lollipop, L, again L, then you have R, then you have S, E, T, K, O, A, B. You have sound, E sound, K. Then you have mom and dad. Then you have Then you have K, A, and sound. You have sound again, E, K, Ha, A, K, again E, A, and T. Sound, E sound, T sound, then you have wa sound, O sound. Then you have here sound, E sound, K, A, Ha, and sound, E, P sound, O. Then you have a sound, E sound, D sound, then you have wa, a, t, v, a, t, and we will read together once again the good habit that we are going to cultivate. I must cultivate good habit, so I read and learn my lessons regularly, keeping mommy and my teachers happy. I must cultivate good habits, so I take care of my books, keep it neatly in a safe place. I must cultivate good habits, so I keep my nails short and clean. I must cultivate good habits, so I comb my hair and keep it neat and clean. I must cultivate good habits, so I use the 4 magic words. Please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me. Then I must cultivate good habits, so I carry a handkerchief with me wherever I go. When I sneeze, I can sneeze into my kerchief and not spread germs around. I must cultivate good habits, so I pray regularly. I pray often before my test, before leaving home, when I reach back home. So pray often. I must cultivate good habits, so I support mommy. I help mommy to take care of my health. So I drink lots of water. I drink the milk mommy gives me. I eat all the vegetable mommy gives me, and I eat all the fruit without a fuss. When I do all this, I am cultivating a good habit.